Hey guys, welcome back to How About with Abe. So before school, I have three things. First, Pipit. It's hot outside and Pipit's in the sun. Second, our pool, we emptied it. Third is the main thing. So before school, bro! Hi? Are you see that laughing dove? I think that might be the one that we rescued. I think it is, yeah. It has yep, that's it. So that laughing dove, it's almost a 99% chance. I have proof that. So somehow a laughing dove fell into here. My first guess was that it was already dead and it got impaled. I have proof because of these feathers. Yeah. So it fell right there. You can still kind of see feathers. But me and my mom thought it was dead, but I saw it was blinking. And I was like, it's blinking. So my dad grabbed it and it was so calm. So we were trying to figure out what to do with it. Hey buddy, let me look at, hey, can I, oh yeah, that's it. That's probably it. So yeah, and we put it down somewhere around here. I think it was right here. And it just flew up there. The beak was bleeding, but it was it was a miracle how that bird fell, almost got impaled, lost a whole lot of feathers, and is still alive right now. Yeah, it's crazy because, yeah, it's a miracle. It's, those sticks in there are sharp. So somehow, didn't get impaled. Yeah, it's amazing. So yeah, a miracle happened for this bird, and I'm just really happy. Well, that's all I wanted to tell you. I'm also really, really sorry that I haven't been posting for the past few months. It's just school started and, well, it's school, so, yeah. Well, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.